Air compressor motor. How second is compressor pump for reciprocating air compressor. It is a air tank and it will receive. It is a temperature controller. It will control the temperature. Air compressor test rig is an experimental setup used to test and study the performance of an air compressor under different operating conditions. It helps us determine parameters such as we see air pressure and temperature, airflow rate, power consumed, compressor efficiency, pressure ratio, volumetric efficiency. Main parts of a test rig: air compressor, electric motor, air receipt tank, pressure gauge, flow meter, orifice meter.